Electronic components and devices. Resistor limits the flow of electric current, used to control voltage and current levels in a circuit. Capacitor stores and releases electrical energy in a circuit, commonly used for timing, filtering, and energy storage. Inductor stores energy in a magnetic field when current flows through it, often used in filters, transformers, and energy storage applications. A semiconductor diode is a two-terminal electronic component that allows current to flow in one direction only. It has a crucial role in rectification, converting alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC, and is fundamental in various applications, including signal demodulation and switching circuits. A Zener diode is a specialized semiconductor diode that operates in the reverse breakdown region. It maintains a nearly constant voltage across its terminals when properly biased, making it valuable for voltage regulation and protection against voltage spikes in electronic circuits. Transistor acts as an amplifier or a switch in electronic circuits, controlling the flow of current and amplifying signals. A potentiometer, or pot, is a variable resistor with 3 terminals. It allows the user to manually adjust the resistance, controlling the flow of electric current in a circuit. Potentiometers are commonly used for volume controls, dimmer switches, and other applications requiring variable resistance. A light-emitting diode is a semiconductor device that emits light when current flows through it. LEDs are widely used for indicators, displays, lighting, and numerous other applications due to their energy efficiency, durability, and ability to produce various colors. A 7-segment display is a cluster of 7 individual LEDs arranged in a specific pattern to represent numeric digits, 0 to 9, and some alphanumeric characters. By selectively illuminating the appropriate segments, different numbers and characters can be displayed. 7-segment displays find applications in digital clocks, calculators, and electronic scoreboards. An integrated circuit is a miniaturized electronic circuit consisting of interconnected semiconductor devices and passive components. ICs can perform various functions, such as amplification, signal processing, and microprocessing. They have revolutionized electronics by enabling complex functionalities in compact, efficient packages. A transformer is an electrical device that transfers energy between 2 or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is commonly used to step up or step down voltage levels in alternating current (AC) circuits, enabling efficient power distribution and transmission. A soldering iron is a handheld tool with a heated metal tip used to melt and apply solder. It is commonly used in electronics and metal work for joining components and wires. The soldering iron's heated tip melts the solder, creating a secure electrical connection between components. Soldering wire, also known simply as solder, is a metal alloy with a low melting point. It is used to create a permanent bond between two or more electrical components during soldering. The solder is melted by the soldering iron and solidifies upon cooling, forming a conductive joint that ensures electrical continuity. Soldering paste is a flux-containing solder mixture in a paste form. Flux is a chemical cleaning agent that removes oxidation and promotes solder flow, ensuring a reliable solder joint. Soldering paste is often used in surface mount technology (SMT) applications, where precise soldering of small components onto circuit boards is necessary. A desoldering pump, also known as a solder sucker, is a manual tool used to remove solder and components from a circuit board. It consists of a spring-loaded mechanism and a nozzle. When the pump is triggered, it creates a vacuum that sucks the molten solder away from the joint, allowing components to be removed or replaced. Desoldering wick, also called solder wick, is a braided copper wire coated with flux. It is used for desoldering by absorbing molten solder. The wick is placed over the solder joint, and the soldering iron is applied to the top. The heat melts the solder, which is then drawn into the wick through capillary action. Desoldering wick is useful for removing excess solder or correcting soldering mistakes. A breadboard is a reusable solderless device used for prototyping and testing electronic circuits. It allows components to be easily connected and rearranged without soldering, making it ideal for experimenting with circuit designs and learning electronics. A wire stripper is a handheld tool used to remove the insulation from the ends of electrical wires. It has various sized notches or holes to accommodate different wire gauges. By inserting the wire into the appropriate notch and applying pressure, the wire stripper cleanly and safely removes the insulation without damaging the underlying wire. Wire strippers are essential for preparing wires for electrical connections, ensuring good conductivity and preventing short circuits in electronic circuits and electrical installations. A digital trainer, also known as a digital electronics trainer, is an educational tool used to teach and experiment with digital circuits. It typically consists of a breadboard-like surface where digital components such as logic gates, flip-flops, and counters can be interconnected and tested without the need for soldering. An IC tester is a specialized device used to test integrated circuits, ICs. It evaluates ICs for functionality, ensuring they are working correctly before they are soldered onto a circuit board. IC testers are essential for quality control and troubleshooting in electronics manufacturing. A voltmeter is an instrument used to measure electrical voltage in a circuit. It is connected in parallel to the component or portion of the circuit being measured and displays the voltage level, indicating the electrical potential difference between 2 points in the circuit. An ammeter is a device used to measure electric current in a circuit. It is connected in series with the circuit, allowing the current to flow through the ammeter. The ammeter displays the current intensity, indicating the rate of flow of electric charge through the circuit. A digital multimeter is a versatile electronic instrument used to measure various electrical parameters such as voltage, current, and resistance. Unlike traditional analog multimeters, DMMs provide accurate digital readings, making them essential tools for diagnosing electrical issues and testing electronic components. An oscilloscope is a sophisticated electronic instrument used to visualize and analyze the waveform of electrical signals. It displays voltage variations over time, allowing engineers and technicians to observe signal patterns, frequencies, amplitudes, and other parameters. Oscilloscopes are vital for troubleshooting and designing electronic circuits. A function generator is an electronic device that generates various types of waveforms, such as sine, square, triangular, and sawtooth waves. Engineers and scientists use function generators to simulate different electrical signals for testing, calibration, and educational purposes. They are valuable tools for experimenting with circuits and understanding signal behavior. A power supply provides electrical energy to an electronic device or circuit. It converts electrical energy from a source, like a wall outlet, into the specific voltage and current needed to power electronic components, ensuring they operate correctly and safely.